Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs. Chris with Legendary Customs. We are taking and doing a mock-up because the Willys frame we're actually not going to use now. We're going to use a frame from a pickup truck is what it's looking like. So right now we're just doing measurements. So it's measure 2-3 times and then make sure it's going to work. And then we're going to go out, get the frame, and go from there. But right now, the guys are working on this. I'm going to pass it over to them and they can tell you kind of what's going on. All right, exactly what are you doing?
So right now we're getting this mocked up on the original frame to kind of get some measurements as far as where like engine location might be, radiator location, everything like that, to compare it to that Tahoe behind you and make sure everything lines up nice. That's good.
Awesome. So you're just making sure that there's room between the firewall and the radiator support.
Yep.
Awesome. And if there's not room?
We make room.
All through the firewall.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Fasten in, big hammer.
So perfect. That's what's going on, guys and gals. We're just doing a rough mock-up, taking measurements, and then go from there. Check out this stuff. We are in our 4th week, I believe. The hood is ready to go. The fenders, front, right, and left, started body work. The doors just finished up welding on new bottoms. Everything's going great. Core support going on. And that's a crucial distance from firewall out to there. Add in the depth of a radiator. And that's what we have to deal with. Then you're going to mount the hood, not mount it, but set it on top just to make sure the depth is right.
Yeah, exactly.
We actually still have those braces. Should we throw them on?
You could. That would hold everything straight. So what the goal is to put an LS engine in here. We're just checking all the clearances, making sure everything is exactly how we need it to be. And to do that, we have to do a real quick mock-up. one piece up top. And if we can get the correct angle, so it's going to be totally one piece straight across, and then we'll cut out for the transmission tunnel and the block here when we have it sitting on there. Right now this would be one piece, and then we'll alter it.
It's not going.
No, it's just funny. I'm like cutting, and as I'm cutting, sand is pouring out of it.
Oh.
As I'm cutting, sand is pouring out of my cuts that I'm making.
Yeah. There is a big pile underneath where we are working on over there.
Yeah.
So this corner and this corner are probably full.
Hit the mother load.
Oh Lord, I guess so.
Put a strip in and put a 90 on the bottom, cut pie shape out of it so it just follows along and give us the same as here.
Okay. Straight your wheels are.
It's not a Chevy, it's a Cadillac.
Oh, yeah.
Safety's for sissies.
Safety third.
I'm kidding.
Kathy. Safety third.
That's my motto.
Yeah. Rule number 1 is get the job done. Rule number 2 is look cool doing it.
And then safety.
And then safety, yeah.
Sometimes I can get those two screwed up.
We are working on a 2000 Cadillac Escalade. It has a wheelbase of 117.5 inches. We need 118 inches for the 1949 Willys Jeep, so it's a ½ inch off. Not a big deal. Outside to outside, 77 inches on both of them. So it'll work perfect for width. Anyway, here is the car or truck that we are going to tear apart for the 1949 Willys project. Here we go. Running, driving vehicle. Believe it or not, there is almost 200,000 miles on this engine. We're having a new one rebuilt to go in its place, but that will be working for mock-up. Pretty much rust-free. Definitely not a Wisconsin vehicle for all of its life. And there you have it, 2000 Cadillac Escalade, donating the frame and running gear to a 1949 Willys pickup truck. Stay tuned, watch for more. There is a lot more to come. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching the episode. We all appreciate it here. So from the Legendary team to you, thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. Please follow us on Facebook, like us, and follow us on Instagram, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Each and every subscriber counts. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you like our videos, share them. Now, if you have an ordinary vehicle sitting at home and you would like it to become legendary, just message us. We'll get back to you, see if we can fit you into the schedule, see if we can make accommodations to make your dream come true. Take your ordinary vehicle and make it a legendary one. Again, Chris with Legendary Customs, based out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. Appreciate you. Until the next episode, stay tuned in.